If you want to learn affiliate marketing, maybe you should learn it from someone who's an affiliate marketer, someone who's actually doing it right now. You see on the screen at the moment, this is a contest that's just ended. The contest was for James Renouf and my good friend Max's Done For You Social, tons of eyeballs, no sweat, bank big. Their launch, and the contest has ended, and you can see at the top is Trevor Carr. That's me. I don't show you this stuff to show off or brag. I never do. It's just to show you what's possible and that the stuff that I teach actually works. All right. So I wanted to show you that first so you can see that this is working right now. I then wanted to show you the stats for my offer, the Affiliate Directive. And you can see there that I've done 1,602 sales, just 20 refunds. And those refunds, to be honest, are probably not even genuine refund requests. They're just people trying to get a freebie. It's done $36,000 plus in revenue. So it's clearly popular. And take a look at these stats. These are my affiliate stats. So this is me as an affiliate, just like you, promoting the Affiliate Directive. And I've done 645 sales and made $13,776.90 in affiliate commissions. That's pure profit. So I've said this many times before, but when I was starting out, all I wanted was somebody that would teach me this stuff for real. Just somebody that, no beating around the bush, no bullshit. Just, Trev, this is what you need to do. You do this, 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 and this, all right? And I couldn't find anyone to do that until I got myself a mentor. My first mentor was Fergal. Then there was Mark Bishop. And I've had a few since then. And, going to someone that knows what they're doing to teach you is the best way to do it. Unfortunately, for most of us when we're starting out, we can't put our hands on that kind of money to get a mentor. You're talking anything from $1,000 to $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 to get a mentor. So the Affiliate Directive is my program. I'm going to show you inside this now, inside the members area, just quickly, to show you that this is a full high ticket program that you can get ridiculously right now for just $12.95. No catch. You're going to get full access to this. All right. So just quickly inside here, this is the members area. You've got welcome here. You've got start here, introduction. Each of these sections has got its own video, etc. We've got the affiliate marketing explained. We've got proof this works, overcoming the hurdles, your traffic options, and then we come through to the platforms and I take you through Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, and then your actual affiliate directive. And you go to the core training, for example, you'll see that this is going to explain the core training. Once we come down to preparation, I cover everything. Preparation, introduction, and Warrior Plus, YouTube channel, Google account, equipment, Canva, autoresponder, Facebook. And that's just in the preparation. Then you've got your first audience, the first steps, the review, traffic to your review, and then the conclusion. So that's everything there that you need to learn in order to become a very, very successful affiliate marketer, doing it exactly the way I do it. That's all I teach you. But you don't just get that inside here. You also get bonus training. So you've got Headway Affiliate Beginner, Affiliate Ascent, and Vendor Victory. So there's a ton of content in here. But more importantly, what this is just what you need to do to make affiliate commissions, all right? And then if you want to go for the upgrades, the OTO Done For You, OTO 1, you've got the Done For You Review cheat sheet, Done For You Review slide template, the Done For You bonus access doc. The OTO 2 is the Secret Undercover Buyer List Hack and the Secret Agent Commission Accelerator. And the OTO 3 is the 22K case study, all right? So I just wanted to give you that quick video, just a quick overview to get a few points across. Number one, this is what I do every day, right? So I'm in the trenches doing this stuff. I know what works, and I've packed that all into the Affiliate Directive. It is a $497 product. You can get it right now for just $12.95. I do what I teach, and that's the important thing. So I'm not making money I'm making money by selling the Affiliate Directive, but I'm also making money as an affiliate myself, all right? And that's very, very important. And I'm making money as an affiliate myself by doing the stuff that I teach inside here, okay? Now, just before I close, I want to show you just a quick reminder of the bonuses that you get on this one. Now, incredibly, and I think it's incredible, you're actually going to get 32 bonuses when you pick this product up for just $12.95. So it makes me laugh because I can't believe that I actually put all this together. But you get that members area with everything I showed you in there for $12.95. All right, that for a start is a complete no-brainer. Just go and get it. You also get instant access to everything else that you see on the screen now, including the Intrinsic Masterclass, which is a $497 product, where I show you how to create a product from scratch, how to put it onto Warrior Plus, launch it and get sales, and then I give you the product at the end of it. I mean, that alone is worth it. It's ridiculous, all right? Then you've got all the others that you see on there, all the way down to the bottom where you've got the training Panning for Gold 1, 2, 3 and 4. I love this because this is another way to make money, and I show you how you can find domains that are worth thousands of dollars and buy them for a few dollars, and you can go and sell them and make a load of money. Apart from that, everything else that's in between is just incredible value as well. All right, so I'm sure that you can see that this is just completely and utterly, ridiculously a no-brainer, the biggest no-brainer ever. Now, I know a lot of you have picked it up already, but this is going out to the few of you who haven't. And I'm doing that because I know that for this small investment, you can change your life. Okay, as always, if you've got any questions, please do let me know. In the meantime, if you don't already have the Affiliate Directive, go and get it now before the price goes up again. I've just looked at all this and I'm definitely going to be putting the price back up again. So grab it now before that happens, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.